Welcome everyone to the Getting Started guide on the Raspberry Pi Super Mega Funtime Awesome Retro Gaming System. Let's get right into it. Included with this kit is one Retroflag MEGAPi Raspberry Pi case, one Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, one 5V 2A power supply, one 16GB microSD card, one microSD to SD adapter, and two Retroflag Classic M controllers. So next we are going to align the bottom 8 pins of the connector and the Raspberry Pi and slip them over like so. And the green, yellow, and orange wire are going to be on the inside of the Raspberry Pi. We're going to flip it over, and on this side we are going to insert the two USBs into the slots and set it down and in. Next, we're going to grab the two shorter screws that came with the case, and we're going to put them on the inner screw holes. Next, we're going to snap on the case, and if you pop this compartment off, there's going to be 6 holes that we're going to need to screw in. You can snap the cover back on, and the case is done. Next up, we can go ahead and plug the HDMI in, as well as the power, and the USB for the controller. If you bought this kit from us, after booting it up, you will see that we have included a game pre-installed. If not, you'll need to write your own SD card. For more information on how, check out our video on writing your own SD or eMMC, link in the description. Thanks for watching.